Hey everybody, welcome to my Windows 10 technical preview. I'm going to show you today Microsoft's new Windows that they're going to release next year. And they have released a technical preview for us to experience it. You know, like see how it goes or kind of things that we want to see on a new Windows, on a new system, operating system. So, I'm recording with OBS because my action doesn't record that well. So, well, that's kind of sucks. Anyway, wait a second. Am I recording? Oh yeah. Creepy. So this is kind of a look at my desktop. Windows 10 kind of looks like Windows 8 mixed with Windows 7. I'm a very big fan of Windows 7, so I played a lot of things with Windows 7. I never used Windows 8. I didn't have the use for all those apps, but now they've included in this. So the app store is right over here. It's very useful. You can sign into Microsoft, get a lot of apps, you know, like you do on your tablet or Android phone, or I don't know, iOS. Anyway, I hope it's going to open real quickly. Come on. It always happens this way. Come on. Anyway, well, it has a lot of bugs, glitches, and it's not gonna work the first time. Yeah. Anyway, you can install a lot of things on it. You like Facebook, Netflix, Skype. Well, ignore those little programs. These are mine, so I've installed it separately. You can just pin them here. You can change size, resize them to small, use them as big, medium, or however you like to customize this. You can play around with these, you know. Yeah. Who used Windows 8? They probably know, but I haven't used it, so I don't know exactly. So when you go here, I hope and I think everybody saw the technical review for Microsoft on when you look for something in your search bar, it's going to search not on your computer, not only on your computer but on the internet, but it's using Bing, so it's kind of creepy. So I'm just gonna search for, I don't know, a game. Let's see, a game. What games come up now? Shadow of Mordor. I don't know if I Mordor. Let's see, Shadow of Mordor release dates, preview, trailer, wiki. Let's go to trailer. Let's see, something new. Oh yeah, and I'm not using this Windows on a high performance operating system. It's my system is very old, so it has a lot of compatibilities with my opened show trailer. It's kind of cool thing, but I hope they change this to Google. I don't have nothing with Bing, but you know, from the last thing I checked, it doesn't work so good. So anyway, meh. So you have a lot of apps, whoops, a lot of things, a lot of doodads. You can find them right over here if you don't want to pin them here. If you want to pin here, let's see, I'm gonna pin scan. No, let's see, Steam title, team viewer, travel. I don't know what to pin. Come on. Yeah, this one. Pin to start. This is when you hit this and you have it right here. And you just use it. Just like that. What? Calendar? I didn't need a calendar. Yeah, it's gonna sync. You're gonna have a lot of things, like you're gonna register first to Microsoft, get a lot of things, but I don't need this, and install and pin from start. Anyway, it's kind of basic. It's nice, it's very useful. You have this is PC, the same thing, only it creates a different settings. Like you want OneDrive, it creates a lot of things when you can, I don't know, can store here some things. I don't know what exactly. I haven't stored anything. camera roll, blah blah, I don't know, yeesh. Well, it works really good with a lot of programs, like a lot of apps. I don't know exactly how to put it. Let's see. With Action works good. With CryEngine it works. I don't know if this is let's see. Computer management. Let's see a little bit. Come on. Process. Thank you. Let's see. No, wrong way. Where are you? Device. No. Properties. Okay. Oh, this is a 64-bit operating system. Oh, I got the 64-bit. I thought I got the 32, but nah, it's 64. Anyway. Yeah, CryEngine works, and a lot of little programs that, yeah, even Nero 7, if I'm not mistaken, is this, or 9? I don't know exactly, but works really good. And my NVIDIA card driver, it's working real fine with this Windows. But I gotta admit, I like the style. It's very Windows 7 like, and has this. It's good, it's real useful. Can find a lot of things in here. I don't know, Facebook is good. You got a lot of notifications, like I have already 10. You have like games. You can make, I don't know, you can make your computer like an emulator. Signing in. Shit, I hate this. It always stays a lot of time doing this. But anyway, if you have a tablet or something like it has iOS, you can sync it with this, and that's the beauty of it, because you can make this a little emulator. Well, it has a little bug here, overlap, but yeah, we can pass that. Come on. Man, I gotta excuse my loading time. I've just started up my computer, so it's kind of getting hard up to speed. Like I said, it works fine with an older operating system, but not that old. Come on, player. Man. Anyway, blah blah. Close this. Fuck it. Yeah, well, it works kind of weird right now. I don't know exactly. Well, that's kind of a plus to them. That, oh yeah, I forgot to say about one thing. You have task view, but the thing is they don't really added a button on the keyboard that can do this. You gotta go right down here and add another desktop. I already have open 2 desktops, but one, you can see like OBS is I don't know, it's not showing like it's open, but it has a little bar over here that it's indicating that it's open. I can go into it, and if I can close it, it's open in the next desktop. If I go from one desktop to the other, it's gonna open in that desktop preview. So you can open a lot of things. This is good for video editing, or movie making, a lot of things like that. If you don't have a lot of room on your desktop, don't close that, dude. Weird. Anyway, if you have 2 monitors, it's really good. You can open a lot of desktop, and you can, I don't know, have like Google Chrome over here. You can size it up a little notch. Come on. You can pin it, let's see here. You can use this. You can pin it over here. And you can use, I don't know, a lot of things you can make. Let's shrink it a little bit. And I'm gonna open, I don't know, let's open something like, let's open my computer and size it down over here. And then you can go to that, add, and there you go. You have an empty desktop. And you can use a lot of things like, I don't know, let's open Steam or not. Let's see. I'm gonna open a calculator. Wait a second. This is kind of weird, dude. What the fuck? Yeah, they gotta work on that a little bit. Anyway, close, maximize, close, maximize, close. Yeesh. Yeah, yeah. Well, that's kind of good. So that's kind of pretty much it for the plus. But this Windows has some minuses when you get it first. Well, to say exactly, you're never gonna find your DVD drive. You're never gonna find it. Well, you just pull out the Windows disk. You're just gonna find out when you restart everything fresh. Make it right. Then you go right here and see, oh, what the heck? Where's my DVD drive? So I found a fix for that. It's down in the description with another fix for who wants to use Windows 10, not for, I don't know, documents or blah blah, things like that, for games. It works real nice for games. This Windows, I thought it wouldn't work, but it works. And the thing is, you gotta have a lot of things like DLLs. You gotta download and put in the game file because it's missing, because the Windows doesn't have them. And I put everything down in the description. It's like a Windows 10 fix for who wants to play the games on this Windows. It's very good. I'm gonna use this like forever. I don't know. Windows 10. So this error you're gonna get when you try to play a game after you copy all the DLLs. This is gonna be like test. This is a game I don't play. It's an error I found on the internet. This application wasn't able to start correctly because blah 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 00 blah blah blah. Click OK to close the application. So yeah, I found a fix for this. It's down in the description. This just install. It takes, I don't know, 15 minutes, and it's gonna work perfectly. It's gonna install everything on the computer, on your computer, that makes this Windows run very smooth with games. Like I'm playing right now, I don't know what play. I'm playing Saints Row 4, The Amazing Spider-Man 2, and another games that I haven't launched with Steam. Let's see. I'm playing Crisis, like, and yeah, different games, different types. So the real problem is to make it work, and I did it, and I've put it down in the description. You can find it there, a link to all the fixes if you want to play some games on this. So this is kind of the review for Windows 10. I hope you found it useful, and I don't know if you have some more tips, tricks, if you know about Windows 8 and I don't know. Yeah, like, when you're using, you had the sidebar on Windows 8. That's kind of, I have remembered it from a friend. He was using Windows 8 and he had the sidebar. This is good for touch screens. You can have, I don't know, not notification, I don't know where, let's see, blah blah. Let's go to no, leave it, shit. Like, let's see, yeah, anyway. Well, there's a lot of updates coming through. You can when you're using like something from down here, or trick, or a shortcut, it's gonna appear right here, over here, and it's gonna say to you if you found it useful, and you're gonna leave a feedback. I just left a feedback on the start on the applications to make them, I don't know, the size more smaller, medium, or they can put a large one, like for the Netflix they have large one. For this one, wide and large, you can make it like this. I'm just gonna use it wide. For everything, every little program, it needs to have something like something more than small and medium or wide. a program that I put right here, I pinned it on the start, has only two things, small or medium. So that's kind of the feedback that I give them to make it better. That's why. I don't know what to improve on. Oh yeah, put the gadgets back. I don't have them anymore. Just screen resolution and personalize. Yeah, yeah. Well, meh. I don't need everything. Well, Windows 10 is fun, is easy to use, and it's really compatible with everything I've tried so far. So it's good. It's good. It's good that they made something that's really user friendly for everybody. That's good. It's a good one. So thanks for watching this. I hope you subscribe, leave a comment or something like that. And I hope to see you next time when they release a new version of this is, I don't know, with build 9841 anyway. Yeah. See you next time, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.